Hello, I'm Craig Demery, the National Sales Manager for Weil-McLain Canada, and I'd like to introduce you to the new Simplicity Combi Boiler from Weil-McLain. The Simplicity Combi Boiler is based on the 4-time award-winning Ecotech boiler platform. It is ENERGY STAR rated in the most efficient category with an AFUE efficiency of 95% and is available in 3 sizes: 110, 150, and 199,000 BTUs per hour. The Simplicity boiler is ideal for somebody who's looking for a boiler to provide one space heating temperature and domestic hot water without storage. The Simplicity boiler uses the same robust stainless steel fire tube heat exchanger and braze plate domestic hot water heat exchanger as the Ecotech boiler. The 10-to-1 turndown rate reduces short cycling while improving temperature comfort level and system efficiency. Unlike other combi boilers, there is no D-rate on the space heating output. You get the same full output as the domestic hot water production side. The boiler comes with a built-in ECM circulator and can power and control a second circulator for space heating. The Simplicity Combi boiler can provide domestic hot water production up to 5.3 gallons per minute based on the 199,000 BTU size at a 70-degree temperature rise. Remember to ask the homeowner about their domestic hot water needs to determine if a combi boiler is right for their domestic hot water requirements. The Simplicity touchscreen control makes setup quick and easy, but still allows the contractor to customize the settings for the specific needs of the home and the homeowner. The programming provides adjustable min and max firing rates, temperatures, outdoor reset curves, and run times. My favorite feature is Boost, which allows the boiler to increase the outlet water temperature if a heat call is not satisfied after a determined amount of time. The Boost feature eliminates homeowner callbacks due to insufficient heat in the house. By downloading the Weil-McLain Pro Tools app, a contractor can connect to the Simplicity boiler with Bluetooth communications. This allows a contractor to copy and paste programming from one Simplicity boiler to another, as well as watch and chart various boiler functions. The app can even capture a screenshot and forward it to tech support for assistance. All Simplicity boilers can use either 2-inch or 3-inch for venting up to 100 equivalent feet for both exhaust and air intake. Using 2-inch venting can save the contractor a great deal of money versus 3-inch venting. The Simplicity boiler is shipped to be wall hung, but when that is not practical, there is a 3-position boiler stand that will still allow the boiler to be placed against the wall for space savings. The Easy Up manifold makes starting the boiler piping quick and easy, and the domestic hot water service valves make cleaning the braze plate heat exchanger a snap. The Simplicity boiler comes with a residential 10-year non-prorated heat exchanger warranty and a 2-year parts warranty, which is upgraded to 5 years when the boiler is registered. Extended 10-year parts is available from Prime Warranty. The Simplicity Combi boiler is the ideal choice when the homeowner is looking for great quality and design in a boiler that provides one temperature space heating and domestic hot water.